Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you these natural, extremely natural crochet braids. As you can see, wet crochet. This is looking just like my natural hair, and I love it. So I started off with some cornrows going straight back. Y'all, I am so proud. I've been doing better with trying to teach myself how to braid. And I think my braids came out pretty good if I do say so myself. So we're going to start off with the hair that we're going to be using for this style. This hair is by Outre. This is their Springy Afro twist, and I have it in the color 1B. I do believe that this hair only comes in 1 inch. As you can see, I'm putting it up on the screen. I only use 1 pack for this hair. So I believe this hair was $6.99. $8.99. Either way, it was less than $10. I received this look for less than $10 using 1 pack of hair. That's all you're going to need. This is what the hair looks like coming straight out of the pack. If you're not that type of person that like frizz, then you will not like this hair, because this hair does mimic a natural frizz texture hair. And so I did get a lot of frizz with this hair. As you can see, just showing you what just one section of the pack looked like, and then I have 2 more sections to use for the rest of the hair. Here I'm just showing you how I just went ahead and crocheted the back of my hair. I am using large chunks for the back only. As I work my way up to the middle, I'm going to show you exactly how I split the hair, but I am using larger pieces for the back. And what I did was, after I got done crocheting, I just went ahead and I separated the pieces to fluff them out a little bit more. But using the big pieces in the back does make the time go by a little faster. And here is where you'll see me start separating the hair. So when you open up the pack, you'll see that the pack is already individually separated in big chunks. I'm just going to take one of those individual chunks, and I am just going to split it maybe three times for the middle. And then when I got towards the front, I split it like 4 or 5 times. So now we've worked our way towards the front. And with the front, you're going to crochet the hair in a little different than the back. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull the hair through, and instead of looping both of the strands through the loop, you're only going to do one side of the piece of hair, and you're going to tie it twice, and then you're just going to pull that knot through. And as you can see, it's going to create that invisible knot that you want for the crochet to look natural. You just want to make sure you're not pulling it too tight. Trust me, I'm not pulling it tight. You just want to make sure you're not pulling the knot too tight so that you're not damaging your hair. And then you're just going to see me do this step a few more times, just so you can pretty much get the gist of what I am doing. I'm not speeding the video up at all, because I really want you to see exactly what I am doing. And then if you stick around for just a few more minutes, you're going to see how I got the crochet to look a little bit more natural towards the front with And y'all, please excuse the white residue that you see. I promise you it's gel buildup. But as you can see, this is up close and personal of what the knots are looking like. You can still see them. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the teething method to go ahead and make the hair look more natural in the front perimeter area. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of my small tooth combs and I'm just going to tease the hair around the front section of the hair. And as you continue to watch, you'll see the difference in what the hair looks like after you do this step. As you can see, this is the finished look. I absolutely love how natural this hair is and how it mimics my natural hair. I cannot tell you how many people saw me out in public and thought it was mine. I definitely think this is going to be one of those styles that you can just always keep around because number one, it's super affordable. Two, it's super easy and easy to maintain. All you really have to do is twist your hair up at night, put a silk bonnet on, wake up in the morning, take your twist loose, shake and go. Now in between, I did have to cut maybe some of the strands of the hair when they got a little bit too knotty. But other than that, I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box below where I got this from. I did forget to mention that I did use some mousse on this hair as well. So you do want to add a little bit of product to it. But yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.